No, what we're going to do, we're going to have a bit of fun. Okay, and slow down. Okay. Now, for the next 10 minutes, you're going to be remote control girl. Okay. And there are two buttons on here. One button makes you drunk, one button makes you sober. Don't you understand? When I point the remote control at you and say sober, you just sober up. When I point the remote control at you and say drunk, you get really, really pissed. There's a button that says sleep, and there's a button that says wake. And we'll make up the rest on the way. Okay. Now do you understand? Okay. And this remote control has always been able to have this effect on you. And it's just quite normal. Okay, 1, 2, 3, open your eyes for me. So he's still a bit pissed.
A little bit.
Oh, let me listen. I can help. Look, Maria,
yeah.
Sober. Is that better?
Yeah.
Oh,
yeah.
Is that better?
Yeah,
that's much better.
I feel a bit more awake.
Yeah. Drunk.
Oh my god.
Laugh. Stop laughing. Sing.
La 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 la.
Stop sing. Sober.
What the fuck is happening? what is happening?
Silent. Talk.
What's happening? I don't understand. What is happening?
Was good.
One of the other buttons on this remote control is a button called freeze. And what that happens is it stops your time. You can be in the middle of a sentence, so when I go freeze, you'll be frozen for 10 seconds, and then you'll carry on as if nothing's happening. Do you understand? So whenever I'm only I say freeze, your time will just stop for 10 seconds, and you'll carry on, and you'll be completely unaware that you've stopped. And you want to tell us all about your teaching job. You're really excited about your teaching job. 1, 2, 3, open your eyes. So you say you do languages and things.
Yeah.
Particular languages?
Yeah, Spanish.
Spanish.
Italian.
Spanish. Freeze. Unfreeze.
Yeah, Spanish, French, and Italian.
Because obviously you speak Italian, obviously because you are.
Yeah.
Spanish isn't that different. Spanish and French.
Yeah.
Well, it's not that. No, but it's similar, isn't it? It's freeze. Unfreeze. Drunk.
I hate this.
And sleep. Now we're in a moment. I'm going to bring you back to full awareness. I'm going to bring you back to full awareness. When I bring you back to full awareness, all the suggestions I've given you are going to be removed. And you're going to be your normal, sober self. But you'll remember everything that's happened. And you'll think it's really funny and really interesting. Don't you understand? Yes. 1, 2, 3. Open your eyes.
Oh, Jesus.
It's very good.
Oh my god.
Interesting.
No, I don't, wow.
Good, isn't it?
Yeah. How? Tell me how.